Yes, Bete, in the series of surface area and volume, we have completed the introduction and one or two questions I suppose we have done. Now some more things. First question I am taking, there is a cube of side 9 centimeter. There is a cube of side 9 centimeter and we want to cut into small cubes of side 3 centimeter. Keep in mind this is somewhat like we have been given a butter, big size butter 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter, and I want to keep the small pieces of it at my home so that it must be used nicely, so nicely and wisely. So what we are doing, we are cutting this cube into 3 by 3 side cubes. So likewise, many cubes will be there. So how many will be there? The side of this small cube is 3 centimeter. So number of small cubes is equals to volume of big cube divided by volume of small cube. Number of cubes is equals to big volume must be divided by the small volume. So big volume is volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is side cube. So this will be a cube. This one I am saying capital A cube and this one I am saying small a cube. So this is the formula. Let us put the values. So a cube means 9 cube, that is 9 into 9 into 9 upon the small cube is of side 3 into 3 into 3. Big cube we are cutting into small cubes. Big cubes are of side 9 centimeter and small cube is of side 3 centimeter. So volume of the big cube is 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So it will become 3 again 3 again 3. 27 in number cubes we will be getting. 27 in number we will be getting the cubes. Same question they may ask us, there is a sphere, big sphere of radius 3 centimeter only. A big sphere, big is little big of size, its radius is 3 centimeter and a small cube of side 1 centimeter. How many big sphere and small sphere, sorry, I think cube. So how many spheres we will be getting? This is big sphere must be melted. After melting we need to recast it into the small sphere. Big sphere must be recast into the small sphere. So again same thing, number of small spheres is equals to volume of big sphere divided by volume of small sphere. So big sphere is 4 by 3 pi, radius I am saying capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi small r cube. 4 by 3 pi to 4 by 3 pi cancel. R, the radius is 3 cube divided by 1 cube. The value of 1 cube is 1 itself. So it will be 3 cube, that is 27 in number we will be getting the small spheres after melting and recasting into small spheres to the big sphere. Yes, beta. Now next question we are taking, it is, we have been given a cylindrical tank. We have been given a cylindrical tank of radius 10 centimeter and height 30 centimeter. We want to fill this with water with the help of a cylindrical pipe. The diameter of cylindrical pipe is 2 centimeter. Diameter of the cylindrical pipe is 2 centimeter, and water running through it, water falling in the tank through this pipe with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour. The speed of water is 4 kilometer per hour. Now our task is to calculate the time. Time to fill this tank. Time to fill this tank. So the timing is again same as we have done in the previous question. Big volume must be divided by volume small, or I could say volume thrown in this per minute or per second or per hour, then only we will be getting time. So big volume is must be divided by volume per, we are converting it into seconds, volume per second. So now big volume is pi r square, r is 10 square, h is 30 upon volume per second. Volume per second which is coming out, that will also be cylindrical because pipe is cylindrical. So within a second whatever volume is coming through the pipe, that will be in the cylindrical shape. So it will be pi r square. R is the radius of this. Radius of this is 1 centimeter. So 1 square, diameter is 2, radius is d by 2 into height. Height will be the speed. Speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour we need to convert it into meter per second. So meter will be 4 kilometer to meter will be into 1000. Then all the units are given in centimeter. So I need to convert it into centimeter. Right now it is in meter. When it is in meter, units are not same. So I am converting it into centimeter. To meter to centimeter multiplied by 100. Upon, it was hours, kilometer per hour. Hours we need to convert it into seconds. So 3600. When we will divide it with 60, it will convert it into minutes. Again dividing by 60, it will make it into seconds. Pi to pi will get cancelled. Now it will be 10 into 10 square. So 2 times 10 into 30 into this. 3600 must be divided by 1 into 1 square into 4 into 1000 into 100. Let us cut the zeros so that the calculation must become easy. 4 9 27 seconds it will take to fill this tank. Only 27 seconds. So I suppose you are able to understand. If it is coming more than 60, then you can write it into minutes and seconds. If it is coming more, then we can convert it into hours also. So as per the answer required, we need to convert it to that, but this cannot be converted, so this is the answer.